There is a persistent anxiety in the homeopathic community that artificial intelligence is a replacement tool designed to see the traditional doctor rendered obsolete. But that fear ignores the core of the discipline. Effective classical homeopathy is built on the practitioner's ability to treat the specific, unique person, following the principles Samuel Hahnemann established over 2 centuries ago. To find the totality of symptoms for a single patient, a doctor must filter a massive volume of data against thousands of potential remedies. In a traditional setting, this requires manual repertorization. It forces the doctor to spend up to 60 minutes simply cross-referencing these heavy, leather-bound volumes. This process creates a massive cognitive load. The practitioner must hold thousands of variables in their head while trying to stay present with the patient. When the focus is buried in the mechanics of data matching, it steals the doctor's most valuable clinical asset, the time spent observing and listening. Consider how a commercial flight actually works. An airplane stays on autopilot for roughly 90% of its journey, using software to manage the computational complexity of the flight path. But the machine is only an assistant. Passengers still require a human pilot in the cockpit to handle the nuances of weather, safety, and emergency decisions. DigiHomeo applies this same logic to the clinic. It functions as the autopilot for the diagnostic process. While a human reads through pages of theoretical data, the AI scans entire repertories and applies the law of similars in a few seconds. This reduces the time spent on case analysis by 70%, turning an hour of manual research into an instant insight. The software isn't taking the doctor's place. It is simply removing the mechanical weight of the research. This allows the practitioner to focus entirely on the 10% of the consultation that no machine can handle. An algorithm cannot detect the subtle shift in posture, the hesitation in their voice, or disturbances in their vital force. Only a human homeopath has the empathy and experience required to interpret these abstract emotional states and finalize a diagnosis. DigiHomeo serves as a high-speed reference engine, providing the practitioner with instant analytical depth that would otherwise take hours to compile. Real healing happens when the precision of AI data matching meets the irreplaceable intuition of a human doctor. In a clinic utilizing these tools, the doctor's workflow changes, from a desk full of paperwork to a streamlined digital environment. As you see here, disorganized records are replaced by a secure digital hub that tracks patient profiles, case histories, and remedy suggestions in one place. The software is built to strictly follow classical logic. It maps out core principles like similia similibus currentir and individualization directly on the interface. Because the AI handles the data mapping, the doctor can look up from the books and focus entirely on the patient's narrative. This proves that traditional wisdom and digital precision are not enemies. They are the most effective way to manage a modern practice. Practitioners can begin this shift to digital tools today by visiting digihomeo.com to claim 5 free AI credits. The integration of technology doesn't remove the homeopath. It gives them the tools to help more people more accurately in less time.